Yo, yo, yo! Yo, yo, yo! This is Charlie Jose, and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, we will be doing an unboxing, testing, and review of another Soundbar speaker, a Bluetooth speaker, coming again from my favorite, sometimes, from the Suntex flagship store in Lazada. So in today's episode, we will be reviewing the Apollo Supreme Power, because they added some milliamps in battery, and supposedly they improved, or they made it better, the bass side of the speaker. Okay, now FYI, the Apollo Supreme Power, which is kind of confusing because they also put a C10 there as a model. So what's up, Suntex? Is it Power or C10? Okay, let's just call it Apollo Supreme Power. Never mind the C10 thingy. So here's the product. Okay, it comes in red box. If you go to the product page in the Suntex flagship store in Lazada, they have this disclaimer in the description. I'm gonna read it to you. It's stated there, we are Suntex, home of the Apollo Supreme since 2017. This product does not have Suntex own packaging and brand name printed on it because this is a new arrival and it's a brand new speaker. You make me laugh, Suntex marketing. Okay. By the way, I just want to let you know that I have background in purchasing products in China. So again, they repeated this one with this one. Okay. So the Apollo Supreme Pro. Okay. So I have all the Apollo Supreme series, including the new one, which is the Power. So what do they do with the packaging? Basically, they skip with the cost of the packaging, hopefully to make it more affordable. But their pricing is not that affordable. I mean, it's less than 1,000. For some, it's affordable. But I think they should lessen the price 100 pesos more or 150 pesos more, because they did not have a contract with the supplier of this one. Obviously, it's a white brand, wherein if you're a millionaire, if you're an entrepreneur, you just go to China and just talk to the manufacturers of any white brand maker of speakers, and you choose the specs, you choose the materials, and they'll make it for you. But with that, Suntex here didn't made an effort with regards to their branding. I think that the Suntex marketing team or the owner of Suntex doesn't care much about their branding. They're banking already that people are buying the Apollo Supreme series because of its quality. Suntex sometimes has some hits and miss, so that's it. Okay, so nagtipid sila sa packaging at hindi na nila nilagyan ng tatak na Suntex or ng Apollo Supreme yung kanilang produkto sa loob. So, without further ado, let's try to check this out. So, what's the specs? So, it's called the Apollo Supreme Power C10, according to them. I bought it at around 599. When it was introduced, it was less than that. So I didn't buy it because I didn't like the shell, which it's all made out of ABS plastic, and it only comes in black. The Bluetooth speaker, the Bluetooth signal is updated. It's version 5. The dimension is around 420 by 78 by 66 millimeter or centimeters. It has two speakers, two 5-watt speakers. Take note of that. And then battery, that's why they call it the Apollo Supreme Power. It has 1,500 milliamp battery. The playtime is around 1 to 4 hours. Maybe it could reach up to 5 hours depending on the volume that you decide to use. The modes, it has again Bluetooth speaker, aux, TF or SD card reader, and then USB, and then of course the charging port. Okay, charging time is around 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so let's open this box. Okay, so we have a protected foam. The knob is in the middle, on top, I suppose. Then we have only one cable, which is the charging cable. Never you mind, again, like what happened to my Apollo Supreme Power. They did not include the aux cable. Keep it in. And of course, the user manual. Okay. Nothing more, except they have my, what I like, the plastic. It's a soft, silky plastic. So let's start this one. Got the box. Okay. So this is the Apollo Supreme Power. Apollo Supreme Power. Okay, kasi madami siyang battery life. And supposedly, the bass is very good. It's supposed to, well, it's supposed to be better than the Apollo Supreme X. So again, here's the knob. And let's take a closer look. Again, this has ABS plastic all around. No waterproofing. No silicone. Okay. It looks like a giant pill. Okay. A giant pill. Okay, so on the middle is your grill. It's basically one mold. I don't know how you're going to open this if you plan to. Oh yeah, you can. It's not actually one mold, but here's the speaker grill. It's all ABS plastic. Plastic. And then you have the knob here, the power on, and of course, usually the Bluetooth turns on.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, it's a little bit unique this time. It doesn't just do the voice prompt immediately. It has some intro music before the voice prompt. Okay, let's do that again.
Bluetooth mode.
By the way, if you don't see it, there's an LED ring in the middle, and it has a blue strobe light. It goes around and around. Okay. So on top you have your mode, you have your skipping files, and then you have pause and play. Okay, pause and play, skipping files, and then you got the mode. Okay, at the back you could see the USB port, the charging port, the TF slot or SD card reader, and the aux in, aux out. Okay. What if we press the mode? Let's try to press the mode.
FM mode.
Okay,
Bluetooth mode.
it has FM, but you know me, I'm not a fan of FM. So you got FM, Bluetooth.
FM mode. Bluetooth mode.
Okay, so we have Bluetooth. Okay, what else? Okay, let's try to play some music, and later we'll do some critique about this speaker and its performance, especially the bass, because my fans, my viewers, my subscribers, most of them are male and they like the bass. So thank you guys. I also like the bass. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna put it on the box on top. So you will be reminded about their box that they skimp out in order to reduce costs. I'm also a marketing person. I'm also a business person. I know also about skipping costs in production. But sometimes I'm also a marketing expert. So branding is very important to me. So apparently Suntex forgo that part in terms of marketing. So let's check if it could read the Bluetooth. The C what? C10? Where are you? You cannot even read the C10 or the Apollo Supreme Power. Power, where are you, Power? Whoa, it's not here. Why? There it is. Okay, you could see here it's says C10. Okay, not Apollo Supreme Pro and not Apollo Supreme. Even in the software, they skimped out, and that's not good for me. Anyway, let's pair it. So if you heard that, it's already paired, and let's try to play some music. By the way, we're trying to test the maximum volume. It says that the bass boost is well, excellent. Well, we're trying to check out if it's really good. So here's another trap music from the Trap Wolves channel to test the bass. Okay. Okay, so we just heard the bass. Okay, so what's my take on this? Initially, when I was testing this earlier, the speakers, when you put it in full max, it was garbled, and you cannot discern the sound anymore because the loud sound is becoming like a big static. So it's so loud, and you won't going to appreciate the sound that was going out. But apparently I've broken it, na break in na, so mukhang gumanda na yung tunog ng bass niya for whatever reason. Siguro alam niya, itetest ko na, nagpa-pogi na. So that's a relief, I guess. So I guess the two 5-watt speakers helped also in the performance. Plus, I've charged this already since 2 days ago, and I've been playing on and off the power and the sound for 2 days already. And I'm also testing it with other speakers, because in the near future we will be doing some versus videos. So this one is very promising. Initially, I rated it as a 4-star, but now it's now comparable to the Apollo Supreme X. So let's give it a 5-star for the meantime. However, after maybe 6 months or 1 year, I'll do another review. So we'll take a look back if the quality remains. Okay. In terms of the bass, it's very, very good. We've done the trap music and also my favorite funky hip-hop music. And it performed well. Hindi siya sabog. Initially, sabog siya when I put it into the maximum. But it's always better to put the volume at 70% para tumagal naman yung speakers, no, in the long run. So try not to put it in maximum every time. Okay. So, kompleto na yung series natin for the meantime. So, all the Apollo Supreme series so far, up to date. We've tested it, and we have completed the collection of the Apollo Supreme series. So, it's a buy. Anybody would like to buy this, it's around 599 plus delivery of 4150 if you're in Metro Manila. The bass is very good. Surprisingly, it's very, very good. And what are you waiting for? You know, if you want this, buy this. If you want the Apollo Supreme X, you could buy that as well. The only downside with the X, it's only 800 milliamps, so you only have actually 5 hours of the playing time there. This one could actually do more than 5 hours of playing time if you just put it in 70 or 80% in volume. Okay. So that ends our show for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next week for another product review. Bye-bye.